Uno, you excited to meet your fan Heather? Uno, you excited to meet your fans? Because I'm excited to meet your fans. Can't believe you have fans. Come on. You ready? Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey. Oh, yeah. Could you move your tail? Thank you. Come on. We're at PetSmart. We're not going that way. We're going this way. Come on. Come on. So Uno's here to visit an employee that saw him on Instagram and was like, I want to meet him. Uno, you ready to meet your first fan? Are you excited to meet Heather? Look at you! Uno, what do you think of Heather?
She's like, it's okay.
Oh no, he loves.
He's so sweet. Oh, look at this chest rubs. Love that.
So how did you know about Uno?
I saw you on the Instagram like TV stories.
Would you consider Uno a smart pet?
I would say so. You're so famous. Look at the paparazzi all around you. The paparazzi.
The paparazzi. Oh, I cut off. So sweet.
I know. Oh my God. Look at all that pudding right there.
Oh, I love him.
Like that. You got so much pudding.
That's a nice thing to call his extra weight pudding.
You know, my cat has the biggest one. I call her Moo, and it swings back and forth like an udder.
This is such a great experience at PetSmart. They'll not only sell you stuff, but they'll pet your animals for you.
There you go, get that chin and scratch. That's that chin.
Oh, there we go.
There's the spot.
Look at you, you're so soft. That I like that little heads of white. It looks like salt and pepper.
I've noticed he's really good at the walks. I walk him a couple times a week.
Yeah.
But if I start not taking him on, it gets harder. So I'm constantly taking him on walks. Because otherwise he starts to get a little nervous. Because he's like, oh, we haven't done this in a while. But if I do it regularly, he does so great. So, like, that's why anytime I need anything, instead of ordering it on Amazon, I just come here and bring Uno. Because it's a whole thing now.
Yeah. It's nice meeting you and Uno.
Uno, say bye. Say bye to Heather.
Bye, honey. So cute.
Bye, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Grab you a bunch of wet food. All this wet food for you because you're worth it. Hey Uno, Uno. Hey. Hey Uno, is this enough wet food for you? You want some wet food? You like fancy feasts, so I'll just get as many as I can carry.
You, buddy, what's up, man?
Yeah, hi. He loves pets.
Hi.
Oh yeah, we met last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is making,
We'll come on your video again. It's adorable.
Thank you. He loves people, so it's really cool when people stop and pet him. Like, he honestly, I was telling the women downstairs, like, he literally, if he hasn't seen new people for a couple days, I can literally see him be like, what the heck, and I have to take him out on a walk. Yeah, like, you haven't brought me out.
I want to meet people. He's a people person cat.
He's a very people person cat.
He's cool, man.
You can totally pet him. Uno, you killed it at PetSmart. Uno, you were so good at PetSmart. You were perfect. You were perfect at PetSmart. You were perfect. Uno, you were so good You were so good at PetSmart. You were good because you knew you were gonna get wet food out of it too. Let me see you give it a face rub. Oh, we got you some new litter with little bub on it. You excited for your little bub litter? You excited for your little bub litter? Knew it. Who doesn't love little bub? Do you love little bub? Nice.